You stare at this perfectly white page and think, what if the first line ruins everything? But that's actually the biggest mistake, because it forces your brain into a perfectionism freeze. In this video I'll show you one single super simple drawing exercise that dissolves this block in a few minutes, so drawing suddenly feels effortless again. The real reason you freeze in front of the blank page isn't, I can't draw. It's that your brain classifies the first mark as a risk. If you radically shrink that risk, the freeze disappears, whether you are a beginner or more advanced. That's why we don't start on a big scared sheet of paper, but on something completely unimportant, a small scrap of paper or a sticky note. No artwork, just a playing field. Put that little note in front of you and give yourself one single task, only straight lines. Start on one side and draw a horizontal line. No ruler, no perfect spacing, no beauty. Then add a vertical line, then another horizontal. Your only job is start, follow through, arrive. Important, you are not allowed to let the lines cross. Your focus is no longer draw beautifully, but calm repetition. You notice your body starts moving without you feeling judged. If you keep freezing while drawing and you know there's actually so much more in you, then get my free drawing guide now. In it I lead you step by step out of that freeze so you can finally get back into making, relaxed and without pressure. And if you're already drawing, but you want a consistent flow and real growth, then definitely have a look on my Patreon. There you get daily drawing prompts that make you a little bit better every day, without having to think long about what to draw. You'll find the links right below in the video description. Next you draw wavy lines, again from left to right, all the way across a little note. Let the waves become bigger, smaller, tighter, wider. Feel how your hand becomes more fluid. No motive, no expectation, just movement. Make the next one with only diagonals, from corner to corner in both directions, until the note is full. Your brain learns first mark equals no danger. That's exactly what breaks the freeze. And now comes the turbo. Do the whole thing once with your non-dominant hand. Here, there is zero expectation of good. That brutally frees you from perfectionism and drops you into a childlike playful mode. And that's exactly where drawing suddenly feels effortless. Let's be honest for a moment. This freezing in front of a blank page is not a sign of not good enough. It's a completely normal protection mechanism. Your brain is just trying to protect you from something it interprets as danger, judgment, criticism, embarrassment, even when you're sitting alone in a room. So if you sit in front of a page and feel everything inside you come to a halt, it doesn't mean something's wrong with me. It only means your nervous system is faster than your pen. That's exactly why these simple line exercises work so well. They signal your brain, nothing bad is happening here, this is just movement, this is safe. And the interesting part, everyone has this. Even people who have been drawing for years know that moment when the page becomes too important and their system shut down. The only difference is they've learned how to deal with it, not how to hide it. So if, at the next freeze, you consciously say, okay, this is just my brain trying to protect me, I'm going to draw a line anyway, then you are not training your hand, you're training your inner attitude. Drawing becomes less of an exam and more of a place where you are allowed to come to a rest. So don't expect the perfect picture from yourself today. Just expect the first stroke. Because from that moment on, drawing can become your safe place again. And if you need some more of these exercises, just watch the next video.